Extra regret and nice cutoff.
More of the budget as we start hearing about what they're doing as we reach the debt ceiling. We'd love for you to come back and talk about that. But any other thoughts where things start to head on that front this week, next week, as some of those details?
What the fuck are you doing?
Sure. I mean, look, for the people who are
really
sane enough not to immerse themselves in this stuff, what's about to happen, and this is
like,
part of what's happening with Elise Stefanik, is
that's
that
not even
the Speaker has told
open
his
thing
most
either.
ferocious budget hawks that we're going to absolutely obliterate the budget.
Nice cut off, and I'll consider that an exit dive. Why not? Nice cut off up there. Nice cut off.
You're going to have to answer. That's going to be a very tough game. McNeese could win that game. And then UCLA, who a lot of people counted out tonight too. I picked UCLA because I like Cronin. I think he does a good job. And they get Tennessee, and what will be a very...
You can't make a left turn in there.
Game.
Red light, Ron. No, stop. Red light, run. Two of yous. You can't make the left turn into there. Bad, bad, bad. Stop it. Nissan driver. Are you gonna move over or what? Of course not. And neither will you.
My report resulted in them seeking a naval ship, right? So anyway, we need to know exactly what happened. We need the investigation to cough up how it happened.
Uh-oh, it looks like someone missed their exit and is making an illegal U-turn. Bad, bad, bad. Stop it. It's like Manchester's only like 4 miles away that way. It's not that hard to get turned around. 96 goes alongside this highway.
I mean, there's...
Oh yeah. Yeah, they missed their exit. Of course. Of course. Let's make a U-turn onto a very, very high-speed highway where everyone speeds instead of just getting off the next exit. Ah, dumb, dumb, dumb. No stop. Red light, run. No stop. Oh, this is gonna suck. Ooh. Oh my God, there's room in the right lane. Go there.
Said that. A little order of business here. We only got a couple hundred tickets left for the 12th annual Patrice O'Neill Comedy Festival.
Right turn, regret.
200 and changes left. It's Sunday, May 18th.
It's not a big deal, but I gotta point it out because I gotta nitpick everything.
Check out the news. I was on Instagram or whatever, so I saw this thing.
Red light, run.
I'm already
Like, he hit 50 fucking home runs. He plays in a wiffle ball park.
No stop.
The Giants have had you scratching in your head. And they still got
Red light, run.
Because I doubt there's many Giant guys.
Really?
Venue to see a game, but that is a team that over the years has just been pretty much intentionally mismanaged. So
No, stop by the copper.
That.
What a great example you set for the rest of us.
Whatever it is. Like, don't you think God wants you to be able to do that?
Red light run.
Having faith. I don't even...
Regret about performing in front of people that will see this, who knows how many, and I also know I'm not endangering
Red light
myself,
run.
so I'm relaxing my body even now.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
But this show's pretty good too, so if keep this one going, you can make a per episode donation at patreon.com.
Don't stop.
Or leave us a 5-star review everywhere you can if you'd like to get in touch.
I don't think you can turn in there like that. It's like, why couldn't you just go straight on 414 and then make a right turn into there? I think it would have been better. Red light run.
You're Jeffrey Goldberg, you're the editor-in-chief of The Atlantic. You're like, oh, this was interesting. And then you get this message from Pete Hegson. Team update. Time now, 11:44 Eastern Time. Weather is favorable. Just confirmed with Seneca.
Why are you turning into there, BMW? You got a red light and there's cars coming. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane. No, if you cannot be there. If we're unfortunately happen to be in the worst fucking state in the Union, actually the second worst state in the Union, Connecticut. Maine is way worse than. But anyway, we're not there, fortunately. We're in a much better place of Rochester, New York. You are perfectly fine to be there. I am not mad at you. I just have to sing the stupid song at the end because I like to have fun on this channel sometimes. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right. I am singing in the rain, and I'll catch you next time. Okay, bye!